What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to Living in Arizona with Ben the Realtor. Join me as we head to a suburb just southeast of Tucson, Arizona called Vail, and we're going to check out a two-story home. You guys aren't going to want to miss this one. You gotta stay tuned. All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ben Kensington. I am a licensed realtor in the state of Arizona with eXp Realty and Kensington Properties. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. All right, you guys, now we are in a suburb called Vail, Arizona. It's a suburb just southeast of Tucson, Arizona, and this house is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,015 square foot home. Okay, it sits on a 4,051 square foot lot. It was built in 2003. This house sold a few months back for $367,000. Okay, I had shown this house a virtual showing for my client that they were interested in this property. This one went pretty fast. Okay, so $367,000 was the sold price. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. Would you pay $367,000 for this house? All right, you guys, I'm going to let the music play. Enjoy the tour. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out of here. buying, selling, or investing in real estate, feel free to reach out to me via phone, text, or email. See you guys next time.